Students, so today we are going to see a question that involves the concept of profit loss and it involves the concept of percentage as well at the same time. So let's tackle this question asked in UPSC 2020. So let's read the statement first. Rakesh had money to buy 8 mobile handsets of a specific company, but the retailer offered very good discount on that particular handset. Rakesh could buy 10 mobile handsets with the amount he had. What was the discount the retailer offered? So in this question, basically the price of the mobile handsets remain the same, but the quantity of the mobile handsets purchased differ because the price offered to the person is decreased. So let's see this question statement by statement. So first we are given that Rakesh had enough money to buy 8 mobile handsets, but the retailer offered good discount, so Rakesh could buy 10 mobile handsets, right? So he had the money initially to buy only 8 mobile handsets, but now after the discount he has the same money but he can buy 2 more handsets, which is now 10 handsets. So if we start, let's assume that the money Rakesh has, let's assume that Rakesh, the person in the question, let's assume that Rakesh has rupees somewhere, let's say 8,000. Why we are using 8,000? Because this is a multiple of 8 and 10. You can also take 800 here, 80 also, but I am taking 8,000 because it is a large enough number. So initially he was able to buy only 8 mobile handsets. So initially he was able to buy how many handsets? 8 mobile handsets. Right. So now we know that he could buy only 8 handsets initially. Now from this we can say that cost of one mobile handset initially would be what? As we have taken the rupees 8,000 as the initial amount that he has and 8 handsets is what he is purchasing initially. So cost of one mobile handset initially would be 8,000 divided by 8, which is exactly rupees 1,000. So without discount, he was able to purchase a handset, per handset rupees 1,000. Now after discount, he is able to buy how many handsets? In the question, if you see, it is given that he is able to buy 10 mobile handsets. So now we can say that after discount, he can buy 10 mobile handsets, for how many rupees? So 8,000, the initial amount will remain same. So rupees 8,000, which means that now cost of one mobile phone or one mobile handset, now as we know that the initial amount is same only, which is 8,000, so it will be equal to rupees 8,000 divided by 10, which means now each mobile handset is costing him rupees 800, right? So now let's come back to the question and see what he's asking. What was the discount the retailer offered? What was the discount the retailer offered? Now initially 1,000 is what the mobile phone was being sold for, but after discount it is being sold for 800 rupees. Now if we have to find the discount percent, what we are going to do is we are going to do 1000 minus 800 divided by 1000, into 100. Right? So let's see what percent of discount we get. So 200 divided by 1000 into 100. Cancelling it off, we get 20% discount on the initial price. So let's check what option is correct. So we can see option number B is 20%. So option B is the correct answer for this. Okay students, so we have another question on percentage asked in UPSC 2021. So let's see how we can solve this question. So as we know, first we read the statement. If the price of an article is decreased by 20% and then the new price is increased by 25%, what is the net change in price? So here we have a price initially. First we are decreasing it by 20%, then we are increasing that price by 25%. So net change in price is being asked. So here what we can assume is let initial price be equal to rupees 100. You can basically take any value. I am taking 100 so that percentage can be easily calculated. Now first it is the value of the article is decreased by 20%. So decreased price or reduced price will be what? 100 minus 20% of 100, which is basically 80% of 100. So it will come to 80 rupees. After that it says that the new price, which is this one, is increased by 25%. So increased price now will be 80 plus 25% of 80, which comes down to 80 plus 25% of 80 is 20. So which comes back to 100. So this value is the value that we started with. So in the question, if you see, he asked the net change in the price. So there is no net change in the price. We started with 100 and in the end we reached 100. So which option would be correct? 0% change in the price. Thank you.